Hi guys, if your iPhone making this kind of noise, just keep watching the video. I will show you how to fix this problem. You have to open up the device. You gotta tighten the screw up on the vibrator motor. That's it. That is gonna fix your issue, but you gotta be careful opening up because you may end up crack the screen. Just tighten up these 3 screws here. This is iPhone 11. This has the 3 screws on the vibrator motor. That's it. Keep watching the video and you will see it's fixed. See you guys on the next video.